everyone! How are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing amazing. Welcome back here in the countryside. So, today's video, I am going to take you guys with me inside my mom's store. So, this has been a highly requested video from you guys, and this is it. We're gonna finally do it. And for some of you that has not been here in the Philippines, everywhere you go, when you come here, you will see these little mini mart or little markets like in all areas of the Philippines. So it is popularly known as Sari Sari store, and in Bisaya we call this tindahan. And so in English it's like a convenience store, like an all-in-one convenience store, like the little knickknacks that you guys can get and purchase. So I'm gonna take you guys inside. So we are here in the driveway area, and here you guys can see directly my mom's store. So come on, let's go and get inside. Now here on the left side, you guys can see my province house. And so we're gonna start here first on the facade of my mom's store. And disclaimer, my mom's store is not really fully finished yet. As you guys can see in the front, it's not totally polished, like it's still looking like a hollow block and all, but it's fine. You can already start selling something. So when you enter, she has a nice plants over here. I love it because it gives life to the store. When you buy something here, you will have a free chili. So we have here some free chili you guys can get. I'm just kidding. Alright, so this is normally the facade of every Sari Sari store here in the Philippines. So it's normally made of like grills so that people could see what is the inside or what is available in the store. So yeah, you guys can see there some of the few items you can get. And there's only this hole that you guys could give your money, and then the person inside will give the product that you guys will buy. And yeah, that is how it's looking. So now let's go and take a look inside and see what is available. What's that? Okay, let's get into Nana's Sari Sari store. Come on. Okay, so this is the entrance of my mom's store. Now here, by the way, you guys can see. Unsa ni me? Why is it brown? Okay, so here in the outside, by the way, we have here like a little shelf kind of thing, and it has some gasoline. Yes, we're also selling gasoline for motorbikes. Unfortunately, I cannot put gasoline, like this kind of gasoline, to my car, but that's good for motorbikes because normally the transportation here in the countryside is motorbikes. So as we enter, actually these are the gasolines as well. So there you go, like 1 liter is how much? 65 pesos. So that's like $1 and some cents. And then here, these ones over here is butane. So some of the people here are not using wood to like, you know, cook or something. So they use butane to cook whatever food they have. And then here we have like a table sitting area because we do have a video case. So this is the video case that my mom has, and all you have to do is to insert 5 peso coin and you will have 2 songs. And yes, we're gonna try this out later on. I'm gonna sing for you guys, so watch out for that. Alright, now here in this side, I'm so sorry, it's like all over the place, okay? Because this store is not really finished yet. Anyway, in this side over here, we have a lot of gallons. Now, this is what I'm talking about when I shared with you guys, like, how do we get water to drink. So this is the drinking water that we have. Mom is also selling this. And I don't know how many liters is this gallon, but this one cost, pila ni me? 30 pesos. So it's not even $1 for this gallon. On this side here, this is where they put all of the soft drinks, like, you know, one bundle of soft drinks. So, you know, we have like Pepsi, like always here in the countryside, it's so popular that you will sell 1 liter of like drinks and stuff. So because it's good for like family. So we have here like Pepsi, 7-Up, Royale, whatever. And then we're gonna get inside to the main, can we turn on the light? This is how it looks, guys. It's Actually pretty small, nothing extravagant, okay? This is just how it looks on the inside. Now we're gonna see what are the things that is available. We'll start over here. So here we have a sack of corn grits. So yeah, some of the people here would prefer to eat corn grits rather than the normal rice. So we also have like rice in there. But here we have like a weighing scale because, you know, obviously we sell the rice and the corn by kilo. So we use kilo here. So I think this one is like 5 kilogram, right? Yeah, and normally like 1 kilo of rice is $1 or 50 pesos. And then here in the shelves, we have canned goods like sardines, tuna, and corned beef, and whatsoever. And here in the shelf, we have pancit canton, everyone's favorite. And then we have some vinegar, some soy sauce, and what is this over here? Here we have some tanduay. So in the countryside, it's very popular. Like people would drink tanduay. This is really strong. And normally the oldies would drink this one. Asa man imong kulab po mi? And here we also have like Emperador Light brandy as well. Yeah, these ones are like really strong drinks. And then I think they also have kulafu, which is the most popular drink here in the countryside. Let me try to show it to you guys. Okay, here it is. This is the most popular drink in the countryside. Vino kulafu. This is very strong as well. And yeah, there you go. Here we have like eggs and some noodles as well. And then mom is also selling some bread. We have like coffee everywhere. We have powder soap, fabric conditioner. We have some chips, of course, for the kids, so that's how she made it. So it's a lot easier for her to just like grab it and then give it to whoever would want to buy. And then, yeah, just like a lot of different knickknacks that you guys can buy. And then like we have here some biscuits and what else? Some seasoning, and we have there some shampoo as well, toothpaste, conditioner. We also have here some diaper, some masks. You're selling masks. Wow, very good. And then we have some peanut, we have some lighter, and here we have cigarettes. And what else? So this is her like cashier area, by the way. So this is where she like puts, this is where the money the money is. So, and we have here some sanitary napkins for the ladies out there. And we have here, what's this again? Effervescent oil if you want a massage. Like here in the countryside especially, it's very cold. So this one is really good if you want like a massage and all. She's also selling like this alcohol and yeah, a lot of like different snacks as well, like different kinds of bread. And by the way, if you guys would like to ask, the bread was made here in the countryside as well. There's like a bake shop and they would deliver you like the bread. And if in any case that all the bread that they've delivered will not be sold, then they're gonna collect it and then replace it with, of course, a new one. Here we have dried fish, my favorite. And then we also have here some onion, garlic, some condensed milk, some sugar, and some flour. So pretty much like really a convenience store, like a mini version. Everything is a bit like available here. Okay, now we are going to take a look in what's inside the fridge of a convenience store. So here we go. Here it is. Okay, so it's fully stacked up as you guys can see. Now we'll start from the top. Now here we have like small Royale. There you go. This is like 12 pesos. It's really cheap. We also have Coke and Sprite, so really depends on you which one would you like. And then here in the freezer, let's see, there's a fish. Here in the freezer, there's this one. Oh my gosh! What is this, Scarlett? So this is like an ice pop for the kids. So in the countryside, it can be really hot. It can be really cold as well. So when it's very hot, the kids here would really love to have this ice pop. So this is 5 pesos, right? Yeah, 5 pesos. I don't know how many cents is that in US, but yeah, it's very cheap. Scarlett, what do you want? Do you want? No? Wow, okay, very good. Alright, and then we have here some beer, guys. Look at the stack of beer that you guys can buy. Aside from Kula Food, the most popular drink here in the countryside as well, to those that has more money or a bit of money, then they would get the beer because, I don't know, you know, for the drinkers out there, they would prefer beer. So this beer is Red Horse, and this is how much? 110 pesos, so that's like $2 for 1 liter, right? This is 1 liter. Yeah, there you go. And also we have some soft drinks. So yeah, if you guys would wanna have a drink of a beer, it would only cost you $2, and you will have 1 liter of Red Horse beer. And yeah, that is pretty much it for the inside of the fridge. So mom actually has 2 refrigerator. This one's broken. So we're gonna so as you guys can see, we had to tie this one up because I think it's loosened. Now this is the inside, so it has all the beers as well, but this one is kind of different beer. It's grande, but it's still a beer. Yeah, and it's the same price, 110 pesos. So this fridge is intended for all the beers. That's a lot of beers. My mom has started this store since January, right? January of this year. Yeah, on the 1st of January, that's like New Year. And that's a really good day to actually start having your new business venture. This is like a really mini one. And we're gonna ask mom if it has ROI. Na ROI na ni mi? Return of investment. I think it has ROI already. It's just that the money just keeps on, you know, revolving around, you know, buying new stocks and then, you know, selling it and then buying new stocks again and then selling it. Because if it hasn't ROI, then I think they're not gonna like continue selling. Do you know what I mean? That is pretty much it, guys, for my mom's store. It is very small. It has given convenience to the people here around the area. The good thing about my mom's store is that its location, because it's easily accessible in the street, and we have a really nice playground over there so people could hang out and chill, and we also have the sitting area as well. So that is pretty much it. Now, come on, it's getting hot in here, so we're gonna come here in the Videoke area and we're gonna sing you a song. You guys excited? We have here the Videoke machine. It has been turned on, so that's how it looks. Now we need to have 5 pesos, and then we're gonna put it in this slot over here. And 5 pesos would give you 2 songs, so we're gonna put it here now. So we have already put 5 peso in there, and you can see on the right side of the TV, it has number 2. That means you got 2 songs in. Now we have here the songbook, and then you can choose whatever songs you want to sing. And okay, I'm gonna sing Top of the World for you guys. So all you have to do is to look for the number and look for the title of the song. And of course, it also has the singer because it might be same title but different singer. So we have here 2686, and then we are going to type it in here.
2686.
And then it's gonna tell you Top of the World. We have here the microphone, and then press play. Okay, we're gonna sing. I'm on the top of the world, looking down on creation, and the only explanation, the leaves on the trees and the touch of the breeze. There's a pleasing sense of happiness for me. Down on creation, and the only explanation I can find. Thank you. So that concludes my mini tour of my mom's Sari Sari store or convenience store here in the countryside. So this is how it looks in this kind of perspective in the lounging area where people would sit and then drink. And yeah, that's how it looks. As you guys can see, my mom already has now a customer. She's buying a 1 kilo of rice. So some of you are also asking, by the way, that why is it that here in the Philippines some of the stuff are in small packets or packaging? And the reason for that is because of the convenience store. Now, most of the people here in the countryside, especially, or here in the Philippines, they would prefer buying like the small packets than the big bulky ones like gallons or like really like bulky, because it's quite expensive, and also at the same time, if you buy the small ones, it will just cost you 5 peso or 10 peso. So that's why. Anyway, that is it for my tour, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and as always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye!